Okay, this one I will start in English, and I'm going to put in a X here to make it easier for you to understand. So first of all, we're going to look at L, because that means that the angle at the center is 2 times the angle at circumference. So then you can say that angle L is 108 divided by 2, which gives you 54. The reason for this is angle at center is equal to 2 times angle at circumference. Now we look in the triangle now, and I'm going to change the color, then you understand. I've put in an X there, and then this is an isosceles triangle. So X is equal to M because of the radii extern. So then we take 180 minus 108, 180 minus 108, it gives you 72 degrees. So therefore M is, then I have to divide 72 because it's an isosceles triangle. So then you say 72 degrees divided by 2 is 36. Therefore M is equal to 36 degrees. Now we come at the next one. Angle N. I want to change the color so that you know always what I'm talking about. You will see this butterfly touches the circle only at 3 places. But this is the angle at center, and this is the angle at circumference. So that means that angle N is 2 times 42 degrees, which gives you 84. So N is 84 degrees. So then you can say that because the angle at the center is 2 times the angle at circumference. And then let's make another color which will stand out. I think we can go on with red here. Then we call this a X, né? This whole angle here a X. And you see this is the radii. Okay. Now you're going to subtract 180 minus 84 gives you 96, I think. Yes, that gives you 96. So we have used the sum of the angles of a triangle. Sum of angles of a triangle equals 180. Nou gaan jy sien that angle P is equal to angle X because it is the radii of the circle, né? And then you take 96 and you divide it by 2, which gives you 48 degrees. So 48 degrees, so that means that P is equal to 48 degrees. Okay, in this one, we will call, I see, I'm at 10. Q and 42. Okay, in this one, we call this X and we call this Y. Ons noem hierdie X en Y om het vir onsself maklik te maak. En hierdie is mos die radiusse van die sirkel. So ons gaan nou eers die middelpuntshoek moet soek. En dan, goed, nou gaan ons sê Y is gelyk aan 42 grade, want die radiusse is gelyk. So, nou gaan ons sê 180 minus 2 maal 42. So 180 minus 2 maal 42 is 96 grade. So met ander woorde, X is gelyk aan 96 grade, want die som van die hoeke van 'n driehoek is gelyk aan 180 grade. En dan as jy nou kyk, gaan ek nou die kleur weer verander. Nou sien jy, nee, wag, kom ons maak hom blou. Nou sien jy die middelpuntshoek en jy die omtrekshoek. So Q is gelyk aan 'n halfte van, nee, kom ons skryf dit makliker, ons kan dit mos nou doen. Ons vat nou net 96 grade en ons deel hom deur 2 en dit gee vir ons 48 grade. Reg so. Nou kom ons by die volgende een. By die volgende een sien ons jy het 'n middelpuntshoek en jy het 'n middelpuntshoek en jy het 'n omtrekshoek. So met ander woorde, R plus 34 grade is gelyk aan 2 maal R, want die middelpuntshoek is gelyk aan 2 maal die omtrekshoek. So nou los ons hom op. R is gelyk plus 34. Ag, laat ek tog netjies skryf. R plus 34 is nou gelyk aan 2R. So R minus 2R is gelyk aan minus 34 grade. So minus R is gelyk aan minus 34. So dit beteken R is gelyk aan 34 grade.